So, I really think we should launch it next week.
Next week.
Yeah, the momentum feels good.
It does feel fast.
Fast can be good.
Fast can also be risky.
You're thinking very carefully right now.
Because I don't agree, and I don't want to sound rude.
That moment.
That exact moment where your opinion is clear.
But your mouth says be careful.
You don't want to stop the meeting,
You don't want to upset anyone,
but you also don't want to say yes when you mean no.
so you smile.
And inside, your thoughts are running in circles.
Very polite circles.
If you've been in that situation,
You're definitely not alone.
hi, I'm Jane.
And I'm Ben.
Today we're talking about how to disagree politely
At work.
in meetings,
When you don't agree with an idea.
but you still want to stay respectful.
Before we continue, just relax.
Listen first.
Borrow any lines you like.
You don't need perfect English. Simple words.
Clear, natural sentences.
If you're a strong beginner, that's okay.
You can still follow.
Focus on how disagreement sounds calm.
Notice the feeling, not every word. By the end of this episode,
You'll feel more confident disagreeing at work,
you'll have polite sentences ready.
even when the room feels tense.
And at the end, we'll do a calm word tour.
So the key phrases stay with you.
Chapter A. Why disagreeing feels so hard.
Let's really imagine the meeting.
A long table.
Laptops open.
Coffee cups everywhere.
Someone is sharing slides.
People are nodding.
And then you feel it.
That tight feeling in your chest.
Because you don't agree.
Why does that feel so heavy?
Because disagreement feels personal.
Even when it's not.
You worry people will think you're negative
Or difficult.
or not a team player.
I remember my first big meeting.
Tell me,
New job, new team, new country.
that's a lot already,
Someone suggested an idea.
and you didn't agree.
Not at all.
What did you do?
I stayed quiet.
Same.
Everyone agreed.
And later?
Later, the plan caused problems.
That's the painful part.
You think, I knew this.
But in the moment, silence felt safer.
Safer but uncomfortable.
And that's why many people don't speak.
Not because they don't care, but because they care too much.
Chapter B. How to disagree without conflict.
Let's talk about what actually helps.
Not big speeches.
Not perfect English.
Small, calm choices.
Tool 1. Start on the same side.
Before you disagree,
Show that you understand, even a little.
you can say, I see your point.
That makes sense.
This changes the energy.
People feel respected. Office moment. I think we should launch it next week.
I see your point. The idea is exciting.
That already sounds cooperative.
Tool 2. Talk about how you feel.
Next, talk about how you feel, not what is right or wrong.
Instead of, this is a bad idea,
You say, I'm a bit concerned about the timing.
concern sounds thoughtful.
Not aggressive.
Jane's story. I once said, this plan doesn't make sense.
Oof.
Yeah. The room felt cold.
Yeah.
Later, I learned to say, I'm not sure this works for everyone.
Same idea.
Very different reaction.
Tool 3. Ask gentle questions.
Questions are powerful.
They invite conversation, not conflict.
For example, have we thought about the workload?
What happens if we wait one more week?
You're not blocking the idea.
You're opening it.
Tool 4. Keep it short.
This one is important.
Short sounds confident.
Long explanations sound nervous.
1 or 2 sentences is enough.
Then let others speak.
Tool 5. Stay calm if someone pushes back.
Sometimes someone challenges you.
That doesn't mean you're wrong.
You can repeat calmly.
I'm still a bit concerned about the timing.
Same sentence.
Same calm tone.
That shows confidence. Chapter C. Full meeting role play.
Let's play the meeting.
Okay.
You're presenting.
I think we should launch it next week.
I see your point. The idea's strong.
Thanks.
I'm just a bit concerned about the timing.
What worries you?
I'm thinking about the team's workload.
That's fair.
Maybe we could consider one more week.
Let's discuss that.
Now imagine the manager speaks.
Are we sure waiting is a good idea?
I understand the urgency. I just want to make sure the team can deliver well.
That's calm.
That's respectful.
That's professional.
Mini practice. Repeat after us.
Let's practice together,
Repeat after us.
out loud or quietly.
I see your point.
That makes sense.
I'm a bit concerned about the timing.
I'm not sure this works for everyone.
Have we considered another option?
What if we wait one more week?
That's polite disagreement.
Word tour.
Let's review some keywords.
Slowly and calmly.
Disagree. To have a different opinion.
Example, I disagree, but I want to stay respectful.
Concern. Something you worry about.
Example, I have a concern about the deadline.
Timing. When something happens.
Example, the timing feels fast.
Consider. To think carefully.
Example, have we considered another option?
Respectful. Polite and kind.
Example, she spoke in a respectful way.
Option. A choice.
Example, we have another option.
Workload. The amount of work people have.
Example, the workload feels heavy.
Tone. How something sounds.
Example, his tone stayed calm.
This week, try one small thing.
When you don't agree,
Start with understanding.
then share one concern.
If you want, write one sentence in the comments.
When I disagree politely, I can say,
You don't need perfect English.
you don't need long explanations.
You just need calm honesty.
Your voice matters.
This is Ben.
And Jane.
Thanks for listening.
See you next episode.